Let's talk more about glucose, the healthy carbohydrate that we're told is so good for us. Glucose is blood sugar. Diabetes is a major problem that people get related to blood sugar. It's actually a disease of fat metabolism. Bet you didn't know that one. It's not a problem with sugar, it's a problem with fat. So they got that all wrong. Now, as we age, as we get older, our tissues and our cells begin to break down. And our blood vessels and our arteries and our lungs and our heart stiffen. They lose their elasticity. They lose their ability to expand. And our tendons tighten up. We get cataracts. We get all kinds of major health problems. Neurological diseases, Parkinson's, when things form in the brain and the brain gets holes eaten in it. That's what Parkinson's and Alzheimer's are. Now, interestingly, few people would blame all these different conditions on one single cause. Yet there is a single cause, and it is glucose. Glucose is the single cause of all these diverse conditions. It binds to the proteins that make up our body. That's a glycated protein, and the glycated proteins really create troubles for us. Now, this is where the problems begin. People are told to eat more grains, fruits, and vegetables during their life, which is only going to expose them to more glucose. Does any of this make sense? That we're going to increase our exposure to glucose when it causes all these different diseases? How is it that all the institutions and all the experts, the universities, the medical establishment, hospitals, how do they all get this wrong? Do they not read the research papers? That's all I can figure. And then they got stuck in what would be called a paradigm, and that paradigm was the cholesterol and fat caused all the problem. That was all made up. It was never true. It's always been carbohydrates. So, you know what the solution is. Don't eat more grains, fruits, and vegetables. Eat more meat and eat more fat. That's the key to being healthy and to minimizing the diseases of aging.